It's Tip Tuesday, ladies and gentlemen, and I want to teach you how to efficiently clip green beans using a knife and cutting board. I've got our green beans here, and you know, I've definitely sat around and plucked green beans with the family one at a time while we're gossiping about like Aunt Janine and Genevieve or whatever her name is. But the reality is, in a restaurant, we're in a rush. So what we do is we take our green beans, we find the little pointy ends that we want to save because we want to keep those guys nice and long and beautiful. We line them up in the same direction, and then we go like this. Pop, 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 just like you're organizing some loose leaf paper, and then you use a knife and you just kind of trim it off. That is the fastest, most efficient way to trim green beans. Again, so I'm going to leave this end on, which is this kind of like nice stem end, and then I'm going to line them up in the same direction. I'm going to give them a little kind of like evening so they're all the same length and they're all there. You notice how I flip the knife over and give it like a little slide, and then we just trim them off.